Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a makeover on some free lamps, a simple little DIY using some stucco. Okay, so I have been on the hunt for some lamps for a while now, and I just haven't come across anything for free on OfferUp. That's the app I always use. I don't have Facebook, so I don't even use the Facebook Marketplace or anything. I just strictly use OfferUp, and I've been getting pretty lucky lately. But for a while, I have not been able to find any lamps. So I picked these up. Once I saw them, I was like, I have to have them. And I knew that I can transform them the way I want. And I wanted a, what do you call it? Like not a stand-up lamp, a floor lamp, like just one lamp. But then I was thinking about the living room and stuff the way it is. I thought lamps on top of the speakers would look really pretty. And so I didn't really know what I wanted. But as soon as I seen these, I was like, oh my goodness. You know, the lampshades are another thing. Like you'll see in the end I'll show like what they look like with the lights on. The lampshades look exactly the same, but when I turn the lights on and the light bulbs, I swear I checked, like they're exactly the same, but the lampshades don't look the same with the lights on. It's so weird. So I don't know what's going on with that, but you'll see that in the end. But I really do love these lamps like by themselves. Okay, so now that I have them both covered, well, you know, the parts covered in tape, my original plan, because I don't think what I'm going to use is actually going to stick right off the bat, so I was going to paint it white and then go over it with what I'm going to be using, but I don't think I have any more white, so I'm going to have to look around and see what I have first. Okay, this is what I have. I don't have white. I would prefer doing white. Chalk paint seems like a good, like, you know, something that it could stick to really well. But before I try this, because if you actually read, this is what I'm going to be putting on the lamps. And if you actually read this, it says like, try not to apply it to paint and all that. So I'm going to try, in my opinion, I don't think it'll work, but you won't know unless you try. And I would hate to use all this up or even like waste my time using that to paint two lamps, wait for it to dry, even though it dries pretty fast, before I put this on, if this will possibly stick without having to paint it. So this is all-purpose stucco patch, and it has a textured finish. And let me show you guys, this wall is not finished, and those are not going to stay gold, so that's not how the wall is going to stay. I was just kind of testing things out, seeing, this is like a work in progress, but this is how it will look. You know, that is what it looks like. And I really like that. And let me show you my living room real quick. So I recently kind of like redid my little fireplace in my living room, and let me show you that real quick. Yeah, so that is what the fireplace looks like. It was actually like fake wood, and I wanted a different look. It was like a dark maroonish kind of color, and I feel like painting this color makes because our TV is so huge, it looked even bigger when that was darker. So I wanted to lighten it up. And then I have a clock up there that is the same paint, but it looks darker up there. And this wall is not going to be the same color. That wall is agreeable gray, and it's going to match. All the walls in my house are going to be that lighter color. So I'm just trying to play off the color of that. And I want to add, yeah, this is my daughter Jalen. Anyways, I want to add more texture into our house, so I thought that'd be a perfect way to do that. Okay, guys, if I'm being completely honest, I'm actually kind of terrified to even start doing this. First off, I feel like it's just going to crumble. I kind of thought it would just slide off and not even stick at all. And then I had the thought of like, well, what if when it's dry, you could just like peel it off? But then I realized, if it does that, at least I'll know and I won't have to wonder. And also, if it did do that, I could just paint it. It's like, it's no big deal. So I just figured, you know what? The only way I'll know is by trying. I'm not going to keep myself, hinder myself from learning new things by just wondering if it won't work and talking myself out of it. Like, if it was a waste of time, if you feel that way, it's like, at least you learned that that will not work. So every project, is kind of like, it kind of feels that way, like when you first start something new. But I don't know. I really love how these turned out. So make sure you stay till the end. Okay, I just wanted to let you guys know that I'm not going to show me putting on the second coat. You kind of get the idea. I'm using a glove. Normally I wouldn't care, but I have a baby who is awake, so it's smarter to do this. Um, Anyways, I didn't want to show the second coat because I basically just did the same thing, just made sure it was completely covered because I could not cover it all the way with just doing it once because I kept accidentally wiping some off. So I had to let it dry a little bit and then put the second coat on. And then also I wanted to mention that I'm sorry, whatever words I put on the screen, they're gonna be bigger from now on because my mom watches my videos and she is legally blind. So I know like how she sits. She sits close to her TV, but I don't want her to still have to like lean forward. I don't know. I'm just trying to just do something for her, so it will be a little easier for her to watch my videos. And then, yeah, so after I do this, I will show you. This is a pretty short video. You'll see pretty soon what these ended up looking like. It's okay. So I was gonna film the outro to this video, and this little girl start crying. Poor baby. Anyways, so what was I gonna say? Yeah, I really like the lamps. I think they came out really, really pretty. Try to get closer. I would turn you around, but my phone's being weird. But I think they look really pretty. And anyways, hold on, let me turn Blue's Clues off. So I wanted to say earlier in the video I was saying how my daughter is 9 months old today. So that is really exciting. She's not crawling. Well, so the thing is, she's not crawling like a normal how they like she doesn't crawl forward. She crawls backwards and she rolls. I don't know why she won't go forward. It reminds me of Mater from Cars. Yeah, the little tow truck. But anyways, she's just like the world's best backwards crawler. Oh, honey. Baby girl. But anyways, I also wanted to say that I was looking through all my old videos, and if y'all are new here, hi, my name is Monica. I have 3 kids. I'm a stay-at-home mom. I actually have been kind of trying to find a job. I did get offered a job, but anyways, the point is, I'm a stay-at-home mom to 3. I have 2 teens and 2 teenage sons, oh my goodness, and this little girl who's 9 months. I have an 18-year-old and an almost 14-year-old. So Jace's birthday is this month. I am tripping over toys. Story of my life. At least they're not Legos. She'll probably get into Legos. But anyways, normally on my channel, for the most part, I was looking through my videos and I keep saying like, oh, I do this and I do that. But looking through my videos, for the most part, what you'll see is like get it all done or day in the life. And I've done a few like Q&As recently, but I'm not always going to be doing those. And then I was thinking about it. I was scrolling forever to find the last time I did just a clean with me, not like vlog style, just cleaning. And it's been forever. So I'm going to start doing those again. I don't know how you guys feel about those, but I figured, you know what? I have a lot of things to clean. So it kind of goes hand in hand. And someone mentioned homemaking with Heather. I like her channel. She was the one who mentioned that my cleaning videos seem to do really well. And I was thinking, why am I not doing that? Like, I don't know. But yeah, I've been actually taking quite a long break. I think it's been almost like 10 days since the last time I posted, but it was much needed. So, but I'm going to get to posting again as much as I can. I don't know. But it is kind of hard to post or, film videos like as much as I want to having her, but I don't know. I will figure it out. If she ends up going to bed at night and I'm just not tired, I can clean and I can film it. I can do something. There's always something I can do. So, and then that way too, like, because I don't really like to do stuff when she's awake. I try to hurry if I'm filming when she's awake, and it makes me feel guilty, if I'm being honest. Like, it's like mom guilt. I have it no matter what I do. I always have that. But anyways, and I also probably will have a little, I might have a day in the life that shows a thrift haul, because we went thrifting today. And there's something else. Oh, my husband and I'm so excited about this, I can't even talk. My husband is working on getting his Ford going, and y'all don't even know anything about that thing. Yeah, so I'm gonna record that. That thing is loud, so that'll be pretty fun. I'm gonna be recording this weekend and everything. So anyways, I just want to let you know what's kind of been going on. It's really just nothing. I just kind of needed a break and just kind of go over my YouTube and see what I haven't done in a long time, and just kind of getting ideas and stuff. But that is about it. I'm doing good, so I hope y'all aren't worried about me or nothing. But I really appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, y'all.